Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about structure and function of villi. Now let's dive in a topic. The structure of a small intestine is designed for absorption of nutrients. The inside of a small intestine is lined with villi that absorb nutrients from the liquid mixture called chyme, produced in the stomach from the food we eat. Villi are tiny finger-like projections from the wall of the small intestine. They line the inner surface of the small intestine. Their role is to increase the surface area within the small intestine. This will lead to the increase of the surface area for absorption as it is the main function of the small intestine. It is the cross-sectional of small intestine. The small intestine is well adapted for the absorption of digested food particles. The inner wall of the small intestine are thrown into numerous transverse folds and furrows. The small intestine also has numerous minute finger-like projections called villi. The singularly it is called villus. It is projecting into the intestinal cavity. These villi are projected into the intestinal cavity. These villi further increase the surface area of small intestine. A microscopic examination reveals that the epithelial cells of the villi in turn bear numerous microvilli. Between the bases of the villi are the minute opening of the intestinal gland that secrete intestinal juice. The intestinal wall and the villi are richly supplied with blood vessels. These are blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. These blood vessels and lymphatic vessels carry away the absorbed food substances. In each villus is a lacteal or lymphatic capillaries. These lacteal and lymphatic capillary surrounded by blood capillaries. The lymphatic capillaries of the villi transport fats while the blood vessels transport sugars and amino acids away from the intestine. This continual transport maintains the diffusion gradients for the absorption of digested food. Now, quote of the day: the harder you work, the luckier you get. People think a successful person is lucky, but that person worked very hard to achieve their success. So, the harder you work, the luckier you get. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.